Hey guys, Norm McGregor and also Haida Gwaii for our own adventure. Alright, we're in the middle of a ice and snowstorm. Okay, the wind turbine is blowing up there, spinning away, making power. And we got snow and ice. Oh my god, the ice is like gross. Little chicken tractor is down there, and a tough day to be a chicken. But hey, they're all nice and warm in their little house, so all is good. Alright guys, got the wood stove going, we got lots of wood, we got lots of food, solar power is all fully charged, and hopefully this isn't going to last too long. Alright, I'm McGregor and Haida Gwaii for our own adventure. Take care!